Hi, welcome to Asal Digitals. My name is Paul. Today I want to show you how you can insert yourself in a text using Photoshop, just like the one you see in my screen. I've been wondering how people insert themselves inside a text. Now, we're going to make something like this. So what you're going to do, we're just going to close this one here. So just say no. So you're just going to start from new. So what you're going to do, you're going to come to create new. Then I'll just choose 1280 by 720. And I'll make sure here is transparent. I'll leave these ones the way they are. Then I'll just come here and create. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put a background. So I'm going to come under the layers, make sure I have a layer here. Then I'm going to come to rectangles here. Then I make sure my color here is red. So I'll click this one and I'll come and choose red. If you can't find red, you can always click here and it will bring this here, and you can always choose red. Then I just say OK. Then the next thing, I'm going to come back here at a rectangle, select it, then I'm going to draw over this one to make this my background. Then after that, I'm going to lock this one as my background. The next stage, I'm going to insert text, but before that, I'm going to click this towards the layer of the text. So I'm going to click this T here to add text, but I make sure here is black so that my text can be black. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click here, click under the swatches, make sure it is yellow. If you can't find yellow, you can come to colors and choose yellow here. Then I'll just come and click yellow. I want my text to be yellow so that they blend well with the background. So I'll come and draw here. I'll just write inside. Press enter text. So big, so maybe you can't. Maybe I maximize it. Inside text. Then I just press OK. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to position it somewhere like so, and maybe expand it a little bit so that it covers the whole background here, the whole aspect here. The next thing I'm going to do, inserting text. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click this one here. Then I'm going to come to file, then I'll come to place embedded. It will take me to where my pictures are. Then I'll look for myself, the picture I want to look. Maybe let me just scroll. I think this one looks awesome. It looks as if I'm brightened. Now I just make sure the pictures is on top of the text, as you can see here. Then the next thing I'm going to do, which is very crucial, you're going to do this. I'm going to right click here in this layer for the pictures, right click. I'm going to right click, then it will give me this dialog box. Then I'm going to choose create clipping mask. Then the picture will just go inside the text. Then I'll try to position it into place here. Then I'll just try to position it like so. Maybe I want the picture to be here so that it's seen clearly like so. Maybe position it again by minimizing the space. So maybe I put it somewhere here like so. Maybe to just cover this part here. Then I'll just press OK. Now, then the next thing I'm going to do, so that to make the text look okay, I'm going to click here. Then I'm going to choose strokes. Then after choosing strokes, I'm going to choose, so that I'm going to choose a black stroke, and I'm also going to choose this stroke here, and I'm going to choose the shadows. So I'll come to drop shadows here. Then I'm going to manipulate the shadows so that they have a distance like so. I think you can see the shadows here. Then I'll just say OK. So guys, that's how to insert yourself in a text. That's simple. Kindly subscribe and share this video with your friends. Have a nice day. Have a nice time. Take care.